Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum children. I'm your teacher Ma'am Homa and I'm taking English subject. I welcome you all and I hope you are doing good at home. Let's recite dua for learning. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. Now what you need for today's lesson? Student book, activity book with a pencil, sharpener and eraser. Student, please open student book page number 55 and this page is from unit 5. Sing with me. Objective of the lesson is practice the new language through a song.
2:6. Sing and do.
When we go out to play, we love flying our kites. Flying our kites, flying our kites on a cool and windy day. When we go out to play, we love riding our bikes. Riding our bikes, riding our bikes on a hot and sunny day.
Okay, now children, open page number 55 from student book and write date 13th November, 13th 13th November, 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 comma 2020. Leave little space and then write capital H dot capital T, then again leave space and write Friday. Okay, now in this space there are 4 pictures given and the word bank is given. I'm going to read those words first. That is LOVE, love, BIKE, bike. Already kite word is cut, but you have to read it. KITE, kite, and the last word is dancing, DANCING, dancing. Now you can see 3 pictures of prickly at the left side and some lines are written. You can read. Go out to play. Go, go, OUT, out, TO2, PLAY, play. Go out for play. Look at the second picture. FLYING, flying, KITES, kites, flying kites. Now look at the last picture. Windy, WINDY, windy. Okay, now children, look at picture number 1 in which Prickly is going to fly the kite. This already have done. I love flying my kite, and kite word already took from the word bank and it's written on the blank. Look at the second picture. I love, 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 riding, 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 MY, my, and there is a blank space. Now what this animal is doing? It is riding a bike. There you will write spelling of bike, BIKE, bike. Now this sentence is completed. I love riding my bike, full stop. Now look at the third picture. What Benny is doing? I dash going, 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 FAST, fast, full stop. I dash going fast. What you will write? I love, LOVE, love. I love going fast. Look at the last picture. what Fifi is doing? I love, L-O-V-E, love, I love dash. I love dancing, D-A-N-C-I-N-G, dancing. Now on this page, Benny is holding a kite. What you have to do, you have to color this kite according to the instruction which is given in the audio.
2-8. Listen and color.
Do you want to color Fifi's kite?
Oh, yes, please. What color?
Can you see the triangles?
Yes, there are 2.
That's right. Color them red.
Red? Okay. Done.
How many squares are there?
There are 2 here and 2 here. That's 4 altogether.
That's right. 4 squares. Color them blue, purple, yellow, and green.
One, 2, 3, 4.
Great. Now the rectangle. Color the rectangle red.
It looks great.
Yes, good job.
Now open student book page number 56. Objective of the lesson is practice words with long spelling Y. The letter is Y but the sound gives I sound. Write date 13th November, 2020. Leave space and write capital H dot capital T. Then write day, Friday, Friday, Friday. Now read, say it with me, S-A-Y, say it, say it, W-I-T-H with M-E, me. Now read, W-H-E-N, when, I-T apostrophe S, it's, when it's windy. The word windy is not there, only the image is given. When it's windy, A-N-D and dry, D-I, dry, comma. Next line, W-I-T-H with T-H-E, the, when the clouds zooming by, zooming, Z-O-O-M-I-N-G, zooming, B-Y, by. How we will read by with the sound? B-I, by, comma. I love, I-L-O-V-E, love, flying. F-L-Y-I-N-G, flying. M-I, my, kite. I love flying my kite. I-N-N-T-H-E, the, in the sky. Sky, sky.
2-7. Listen and follow. Listen and repeat.
When it's windy and dry, with the clouds zooming by, I love flying my kite in the sky.
Now here is activity book page number 46. On the top write date 13th November, 2020. Then write capital H dot capital T and then at the end write Friday. Friday, F-R-I-D-A-Y, Friday. Say it with me, S-A-Y, say it, say it, W-I-T-H with M-E, me, say it with me. Now look at the word bank. 4 words are given with the I sound. Dry, dry. This is the first word. I'm going to spell out also dry, dry. If we do it with the sound, you can read it like this. Dry, dry. Look at the second word. Sky, sky, sky. Fly, fly, fly. Last word is my, my. 4 pictures are given on this page, and there are some blank spaces under the pictures are given. Look at the first picture, that is kite. There you will write spelling of fly, fly, fly. Okay, look at the next picture, that is cactus, and look at the ground, that is dry. You will write spelling of dry, dry, dry. And another picture is of a girl holding a toy, and she wants to say it's my, my. You will write spelling of my under this picture. Then look at the picture of clouds, and there is a sun, that is sky, sky, sky. Okay, now look at next lines. Look at number 2, paragraph, read and draw. Read, A-N-D, and draw. D-R-A-W, draw, full stop. Read and draw. Let's read these lines. It's, I-T apostrophe S, it's hot, hot, it's hot. A-N-D, and dry, dry. It's hot and dry, full stop. T-H-E, the sun, the sun, I-S, is I, and in, the sun is in, the T-H-E, the sky, 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 full stop. A bird, I-S, is, a bird is flying, F-L-Y-I-N-G, flying, 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 B-I-Y, flying by, full stop. And in the rectangle shape, this space is empty. There you have to draw this. It's hot and dry, the sun is in the sky, a bird is flying. You can draw this type of image, a picture. Now let's revise months of the year. First you have to learn spelling of January. January, January, January. Next, February, February, February. What comes after February? March, 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 March. Then April, 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 April. May, May, May. This we can do with the sound May. June, 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 June. And the number 6th month, July, 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 July. Kids, you have to learn spelling of these 6 months: January, February, March, April, May, June, and July. Now kids, do this work nicely and learn the spellings of months of the year, and take care of yourself. It's time to say goodbye. The lesson is finished. Next week, inshallah, we will meet again. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.